Hello. Once again, some of you thundery downpours on the way for Tuesday. Not a washout today. There will be some brighter moments too.
Good morning to you too. If you haven't yet stepped out, you might want to take your brolly with you because today we're looking once again at some heavy rain and thunderstorms. Heavy rain currently across the southwest of England. That's been moving slowly northeastwards through the morning, but we're looking at some large rainfall totals in a small amount of time.
But there's somebody who resists the
We've got a
nap
rebel.
still.
There's a rebel in the camp, everyone. Morning, Carol.
Good morning.
You don't
Paul.
nap.
I don't nap. I can't. It makes me feel sick. But now I'm thinking maybe that's what's gone wrong. If it makes you look younger.
Your brain is very healthy.
Oh, bless you, Sal. I don't care what everybody else says about you. I think you're great.
If you want to have a lie down now, there's room.
Thank you. I think I'll just press on. It's lovely to see you both.
Great to have you.
And here we're looking at temperatures up to about 25 or 26, but a fresher 16 across the far north of Scotland. And of course, Sal, I was joking.
Oh, were you?
What about the weather?
I think you need to go and have a nap. Carol, maybe go and have a little nap. See how you feel after that.
You've got 20 minutes now. It's perfect.
Thank you, John.
We'll see you again very soon.
See you
We do
later.
love having you here. Isn't it great to have Carol with us?
Love it. Love it.
Good morning. It's another warm and humid start this morning. Some heavy rain, but to follow on some sunny spells a little later. Now, the Met Office has a yellow weather warning in place for the heavy rain. It could just be torrential for a time through this morning ahead of it clearing northwards. Rumbles of thunder, lightning, also some hail.
How's that weather looking at Edgbaston for the cricket today? Is it all right?
Well, do you know, it could actually be pretty wet to start with, so play might well be delayed. And then this afternoon, there is the risk of showers. So again, there might be some delay this afternoon as well. And that's the same for Royal Ascot. By the time Royal Ascot starts today, the rain should have gone through, but we could catch a shower in the afternoon, and the same too actually for Queen's. Now, what we have today is the risk of thunderstorms once again, but then all these weather fronts trying to come in from the west will introduce some rain at times, and through the course of the weekend it is going to turn more humid as well. So on Thursday, here's our transient ridge of high pressure with fewer showers around, but by the end of Thursday we'll be starting to see the cloud building out towards the west, and then we're looking at some rain coming in through the west as we head on through Friday and into Saturday, but the temperatures are going to climb. And once again, Sal and John, it's going to feel quite humid for most of us.
We're getting used to that at the moment, aren't we?
Aren't we
Been like that
just?
for a while. Carol, thank you.
I've been sneezing a lot. I don't know about you.
This is true.
I've been sneezing a lot. It's the hay fever, and Carol can tell us why. Morning.
Good morning. That's right. The levels have been really high or very high for many of us. And, you know, you would think with all this rain, that especially this morning, it would wash the pollen out. And it does for a time. But as soon as the sun comes out, whoosh, it comes back up again. So keep your hankies close by. That's my best advice. Good morning, everybody. These are the levels that we're talking about. You can see very high or high, more or less across the board. But we have also got some heavy rain.
That's a win, isn't it?
Well, it is if you nap.
Apparently that delays the ageing process by 3 to 6 years.
And it makes your brain bigger.
Do you mind if I just...
Absolutely. A big fan of a nap. But I'll tell you someone who... immediately. Tell you someone who doesn't nap is Carol.
And that explains so much, doesn't it? About looking younger and having a bigger
You look
brain.
amazing.
And your brain's massive anyway, so you don't need to worry.
Bless you both. I'm not sure about that, but I can tell you about the weather. So then into Wednesday. If you're off to Glastonbury on Wednesday, we start off with a lot of dry weather. For Northern Ireland, for Northern England and for Scotland, there'll be prolific showers. Some of those will be heavy and thundery with some brightness in between. For England and for Wales, there'll be fewer showers, but we could see them forming, for example, across parts of Devon and Cornwall, with sea breezes developing as well. And these are our temperatures, 16 in Lerwick to about 25 or 26 further south. So for the rest of Glastonbury, it's staying mostly dry. Now, you might catch the odd shower, but nothing substantial. And if anything, it's going to turn that bit warmer and humid as we move into the weekend. Even on Sunday, temperatures could be a little bit higher than this. So it's a conundrum what to bring.